The Lymphoma BSH Special Interest Group was a fantastic session. I helped co-chair this, and we really were focusing on how we can improve patient outcomes for patients with lymphoma. And the first speaker, Professor Lentz, talked about the tumor biology, trying to identify markers and pathways that we can either use to identify newer drugs and newer targets. And this led nicely on to Amy Kirkwood's talk. Amy, who's one of the senior medical statisticians at the CRUK and UCL Cancer Trials Unit, and she described novel trial designs. And the difficulty now is that it often takes a long time to design a trial, get funding, put it through, and it can take sometimes several years to set up. And by then there are newer data available as to how we maybe would have altered the design initially. And so she was talking about novel trial designs which would allow alteration of with further additional knowledge later on, and also involving newer novel drugs, maybe looking at pick-a-winner approach, novel drug therapies, and it really was helpful and led on nicely from Professor Lentz's talk. And then we've got these newer agents, how do we access them? So Professor Peter Clark, who's the chair of the NHS Lymphoma group, talked to us about commissioning, about NICE, how we obtain NICE approval for drugs, and then the role of the Cancer Drug Fund, and highlighted the importance of us as clinicians for providing data for them, not only about the novel agents or the newer trial data, which is often very well published, but also about the natural history for patients if they don't have access to those drugs. So what is going to be the benefit gained for our patients? So overall, the Lymphoma SIG was a well-attended, valuable session which did cause a lot of debate amongst the audience.